We are hyper focused on celebrating bootstrapped founders. They just
Love it.
It's ridiculous that TechCrunch promotes these headlines. Look, TechCrunch should be liable for the billions that WeWork took from investors because media outlets with reporters who didn't ask the tough questions built WeWork when there was no real business. If they asked the real questions in these headlines, there you go. Whoops.
I'm sitting in an empty WeWork building right now.
Too close. But my point is, these outlets are in the bags of VCs. They have to propagate this story of go raise capital. That's what success looks like. And these outlets, the Wall Street Journal, Forbes, TechCrunch, they also don't want to hit the founders hard because they want the next interview with the founder.
Mm-hmm.
See, I don't want to be friends with my guests. If I end up friends, great. I just want to capture the story. So my focus today is on celebrating bootstrap founders who are crushing it. People like Nathan Barry at ConvertKit, who gives dividends and rev shares to all of his employees and team members, broke 25 million last year. Guillaume, who you guys can go listen to on Todd's podcast a couple episodes ago. There's so many companies building great bootstrap founders. And so what I'm focused on now is building more media assets around the space. So we have the magazine, we have the book. We're doing a Latka 1000 SaaS awards show in Austin, Texas on September 10th, which will be an incredible event. It'll be a beautiful awards event celebrating bootstrap founders. And then I'm focused just a lot on sort of Founderpath, right? How do we raise a larger fund at a cheaper cost of capital so we can pass those savings on to bootstrap founders? And we're going to avoid going out and competing. And there's other people in the Founderpath space that have raised gobs of capital, but they're diluted like crazy. They're very distracted. They're not focused on bootstrap SaaS founders. And we're going to win that space by hyper-focusing on bootstrap SaaS founders.